So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to how to duplicate a slide here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up on your device, what I want you to do is for this example, I'm just going to go ahead here and just add a bunch of stuff to this slide. So I'll make the backgrounds purple. I will add a shape. I'll add a square just like this. I'll make it a little bit larger. And how about I add another shape? I'll just add a circle right here. So this is my beautiful masterpiece. Now, if you want to duplicate this exact slide, if you go to the top left here, press on Add Slide, you actually can't duplicate it. So if you add just a blank slide, you can do that. But if you want to duplicate the slide, it's fairly straightforward. Go to the slide here in the top left, press on Control Click or right click this to open up this screen, and go to where it says Duplicate right here. Press on Duplicate just like that, and now your slide is duplicated. It's the exact same. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to duplicate a slide here on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.